And all that said, I want you to remember one thing. Your Instagram profile is your brand's or your first impression, so let's make it count. Every element from your picture to your bio should be strategically thought all the way through and beautifully executed. Your profile is not just a part of your brand. No. In many ways, it is your brand. It is how people see you when it comes to Instagram. Now, let's paint a picture, if you will. Imagine your feed as this gallery. Oh, let's step back and go one step further. Your phone is a museum. This is your chance to extend the conversation beyond Instagram, to pull them in, you might say. And your feed inside there is one of the galleries. And each of your posts is a piece of art. So, that said, the color scheme, the aesthetic, they're not just details that you need to pay attention to. They are the essence of your brand's identity. So, choosing a consistent color scheme is like selecting a palette to your masterpiece as you're brushstroking your way through it. It should reflect the tone and the mood of you and or your brand, whether that mood is vibrant and energetic or soft and serene or bold and daring. Yeah, you want to just, when someone sees it, they instantly know, oh, I know who that is. That's the dark horse right there.